Hi guys, welcome to another Theodoro Kitchen Lab. Today the things are very simple. We're gonna do a salad with main ingredient endive and spinach. So we're gonna use some beets, a little bit of spring onion and celery. With this we're gonna make our vinaigrette, and as a garnish we're gonna use some caramelized walnuts. So let's get right into our recipe. High heat. We're gonna start with our walnuts. We're gonna caramelize the walnuts, but in the meantime we're gonna start mixing our salad. So we got here spinach, I'm just gonna roughly cut it. And I'm gonna put it in my bowl. Nice. Same thing with the endive. The endive, we are gonna cut a little bit the bottom because it has very strong and bitter taste. But everything together it matches perfectly. So we rough chop the endive. So nice, it goes in. Do not push heavy your vegetables, like mix them a little bit but leave them like also fluffy and like this. Beautiful. So in the meantime I'm gonna put my walnuts in the pan. Nice. And I'm gonna add a little bit brown sugar. I think that looks good. Break down a little bit the sugar. Now we're gonna be great and caramelized. I'm gonna take this away. So guys, I'm gonna continue with my celery. So the celery, I'm gonna cut it thin slices sideways. That's it, the celery. Nice. And the onion, same thing with the onion. Nice. So the walnuts are getting where we want them. So the walnuts are good. I'm taking them out to cool down over here. Spread them. Don't let them close. Be careful with the caramel, it's very dangerous. So I'm gonna keep the pan on the side. So guys, now we're gonna start putting everything together, but first we need to make the dressing. Let's cut the beets on 4 each one, and we place them in this nice container. And same thing with the golden ones, but we're gonna keep them separate. Perfect. And maybe, yeah. So for the vinaigrette we're gonna need 100 ml of olive oil, 50 ml of balsamic vinegar, 1 teaspoon of honey, and 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. So I'm going in with my Dijon mustard. Nice. Dijon mustard in. So approximately 50 ml of balsamic vinegar. So honey, artius with the cob, wildflower, beautiful. So, yep, and olive oil. And mix everything together. So we're gonna need to taste it. We're good. So I'm gonna dress my salad. I'm gonna mix everything nicely together. We don't need too much and too heavy. Nice, I think this is more than enough. So guys, we're gonna start plating the salad. I'm gonna use a nice and wide plate for it. So first thing, we need to marinate these ones. So salt, a little bit pepper, mix them a little bit together, and now okay, that's perfect. And now we're gonna add the red ones. So perfect. We're gonna add salt and pepper to them too. And continue. So we mix them now. So perfect. We're very good. So how we plate the salad? Beautiful. See? Nice. So we're topping up with a little bit celery, spring onion. We go with a nice bits. Beautiful. Walnuts. Caramelized walnuts. Oops. Oh So this is it, guys. Freezer salad, curly endive actually, with golden beets, red beets, beautiful balsamic vinaigrette, caramelized walnuts, spring onion and celery. I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next Kitchen Lab. Thank you very much for watching us.